So it is simply a platform that utilizes emojis and Unicode characters for creating fully on-chain generative art. And soon we'll be making some emoji-based on-chain games and emoji-based meme coins like Fun for for meme emoji-based token. So overall, chain art is currently live on Polygon Base, Corda, and Link. So they are all mainnet, and we just launched the this protocol that we call a proof of emotion protocol. So we are currently testing it on Taiko testnet, and one of the significant improvement for our for this Taiko integration is we now uses the layer 0 omni token contracts for seamless token bridging. So our tokens include NFTs and ARC20s, and we are both synchronizing these two, so they're working together to make this ecosystem and the tokenism and everything that work perfectly for the DJs artists or even for maybe businesses or gamers like that. So creating fully on-chain art is in our platform is incredibly simple. So users just pick this moment to fill. So they just need to use the emojis or any characters they like. So it could be numbers, letter emojis, or maybe a Bitcoin character. Then they can now create their art. So so we also make it expandable canvas. So you can reach up to 7x7 pixel or grid canvas. Then you will begin to craft your masterpiece. Then maybe we can experiment like this. Like that. Taiko demo. Yep. So if you okay with that, just hit the what is this, the mint button, and this is the preview. Then this input will be sent to our smart contract and process that. And we have a deployed on-chain visual engine that processes this one to create visual images. So it is fully on-chain, so we don't use any options or solutions like IPFS. It is fully smart. All the smart contract will be handling the image generations. So let's confirm it. So we are currently live on Taiko Lab. Then it will get some receipt. And I think it will just take some time to mine this transaction. All right, so this is now the transaction. So as you can see, it minted NFT, which is this one. Then you can see here, I don't want to generate the images without we just the info characters from our front end. So this also has a security features. Like I think that most of NFTs right now is can be easily screenshot and do that. And what makes us NFTs unique? It is dynamic. So you can for this token, you can update this token. And I think the screenshot one, or if I would try to steal that, I will be the original one can be updated, and they can attach some skins on it or themify this one. Then so after confirming the transaction and everything all is done. So our plans for these NFTs is to make it more customizable or personalized NFTs that really the user is involved. Then we get some sample NFTs that offers this from other chains. So I want you to demonstrate to you what is the general art we are talking about. So this one from those user inputs from those emojis. So you can create this general art from those inputs. So we already have some samples in here. So I bet it is currently impossible for this kind of dynamic interaction and interactive NFTs if we use the upchain storage solutions, since it basically relies on on-chain data and user interactions and a smart contract for this to happen. And we can also redesign this one for the entire visual engine. You can update like for maybe we can add some snow on Christmas Day for all the NFTs our users own.